When we evaluated several other competitors, we came back with VMware having the highest return on investment. It also had the largest matrix of features that we were looking for, both for high availability, business continuity, disaster recovery, and for overall throughput and maximization.
For us, it was a logical step to go all the way in our mission-critical environments and our mission-critical systems by using VMware Infrastructure 3.
We're regulated by the FSA, the Financial Services Authority, and they monitor us very heavily on business continuity and disaster recovery, and this is key for our business to continue trading.
What we wanted to do is be able to get our business continuity up as quick as possible. And since we already knew VMware actually worked quite well in the DR scenario, we wanted to extend that out.
We've definitely seen enhanced business continuity during times of hardware failure. Downtime of a mail server was mitigated even though the physical host went into a faulty memory condition. We were able to vMotion the virtual machines to another host and have the original physical host repaired, and the users didn't even notice a thing.
With VMware Virtualization, we're actually able to perform quarterly tests of our recovery plan and really not impact the availability of our systems.
Now that we have VI3 up and running, fully automated with HE and DRS, we are looking at actually replicating our VMFS partition to our disaster recovery site so that we have all our virtual machine available in a time of disaster.
I think VMware Infrastructure 3 gives us some of the best aspects of clustering, namely the high availability, at a fraction of the cost.
We got a big benefit, which was the server consolidation. All our identified infrastructure needed to be replicated off-site so we could do a quick recovery, so we consolidated a lot of servers at the same time.
VMware's been revolutionary in our disaster recovery plan. Before VMware's platform, we were recovering things over weeks, over days, and now I'm able to recover several hundred or even 1,000 virtual machines in less than 5 minutes. And through the beauty of the recovery process and the recovery design that we've implemented that runs concurrently as opposed to consecutively, that 5-minute window won't expand.
Our data center actually is located at our corporate office. Given the fact if a DR disaster occurred that brought that main data center down, we needed a way to be able to bring up our systems just as we would bring up our servers and the rest of our infrastructure. When we started looking at it from a DR perspective, VMware was going to help us very much in that particular case.
For our disaster recovery solution, using Workstation 6 Ace Edition, we're able to create portable physical media, being a CD, DVD, or Pocket Ace feature. We're able to plug that into any PC and recover our desktop environment in seconds.
Part of why I think virtualization is the wave of the future is because it gives us the ability to revert, to snapshot. The capability to push a button and revert back to a known good image after an exploit is priceless.
Post-implementing VMware Virtualization, we're able to have one recovery solution which allows an entire team of people to recover an environment after a failure, as opposed to just 1 or 2 highly trained employees. VMware is the standard for virtualization. Actually, I have yet to come across any large shop that's using anything other than VMware, and I would imagine they'd be the odd man out at this point.